Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Seamless account for security or to complete your profile, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Open the Seamless app or go to seamless.com and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Check your email inbox for any verification messages from Seamless. These may contain verification links or codes. Step 3. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your email address and activate your account. Step 4. If you didn't receive a verification email, go to your account settings and request to resend the verification email. Step 5. Verify your phone number by going to account settings and adding your mobile number. Seamless will send a verification code via SMS. Step 6. Enter the verification code received on your phone to confirm your phone number. Step 7. Add a payment method to your account by going to Payment Methods in Settings and entering your credit card or debit card information. Step 8. Complete your delivery address information to ensure accurate order delivery. Add your full street address, apartment number, and any delivery instructions. Step 9. Note that Seamless is now part of Grubhub, so your verification may be linked to your Grubhub account if you have one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.